Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best orthopedic cat bed currently available, the Whiskers and Friends Cat Bed. Whether you're shopping for a finicky feline or a small anxious pup, this cozy donut-style bed has a lot going for it. The Whiskers and Friends Cat Bed instantly stands out with its plush, fluffy faux fur exterior and round donut shape. This bed isn't just a nap spot, it's a full-on relaxation retreat for your pet. It's designed to mimic the warmth and safety of a mother's fur, making it incredibly inviting for pets who love to curl up and burrow. Now let's talk about sizing. The bed comes in multiple sizes, with the 20-inch option being ideal for kittens, small cats, and very small dogs, anything under 15 pounds. If you've got a slightly bigger pet, they've got 23, 31, and even 31-inch wide options for pets up to 25 pounds or more. And yes, the sizing isn't just generous, it's thoughtful. What sets this apart as the best orthopedic option? It's all in the construction. The outer rim is elevated to create a supportive barrier, which acts like a cushion for your pet's neck and head. That's especially helpful for older cats or pets that deal with joint stiffness or anxiety. It promotes better posture while resting and helps alleviate pressure from their bodies, great for deeper, more restful sleep. The materials used are premium. We're talking long, fluffy plush fabric that feels buttery soft to the touch and is densely filled, about 25% more than comparable beds. That extra filling adds body and support, so the bed doesn't flatten out after a few weeks of use. And then there's the anti-anxiety design. The round shape and deep crevices allow pets to burrow in and feel swaddled. That's a huge plus for pets who deal with stress, especially during thunderstorms, travel, or if they're new to your home. Now, let's quickly touch on the aesthetics. It comes in a stylish navy gray color that blends into most home decor without screaming, pet bed. It looks modern, clean, and intentional, not like an afterthought tossed in the corner. And finally, there's something special about supporting a small, family-owned brand. Whiskers and Friends is not a big box pet brand, and you can feel that extra attention to detail in both the product quality and the brand messaging. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If your furry friend deserves nothing but the best in orthopedic comfort, the Whiskers and Friends Cat Bed should definitely be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. Thanks for watching.